Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is the April Camposol Free Community Sports bike ride. We're going to be making our way all the way to Bolnuevo, leaving from Camposol Sector B petrol station, using the service roads from Camposol to Mazarrón Country Club, and then from the Mazarrón Country Club we'll be using the verde towards Mazarrón town itself, passing the mines of Mazarrón. Once we get to the town of Mazarrón, we'll be using the service roads once again towards Bolnuevo, where the bike ride ends. Mandy, my wife, has arranged a big surprise for me at the end of this video, which everybody on the bike ride I believe was in on. Please watch to the end to see what that is. And also, if you like this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and press that notification button so you know every time I upload a video, and also share it with your friends. I'm just going to come in front here and catch up with the others a minute. Right there, Paula? Right, Dave? Right. Just like the roads in central London. Right. Hola. Hola. Yeah. Yeah. Come through. How are you? Yes. I got there in the end. Oh good, we just wait for the others. No, do you mind? Just wait for them. Let them catch up. Yeah, you right? Yeah, yeah. Good? Yeah. Onwards and upwards.
Got a bit of a buckle on that back wheel, Marty.
I think you've got a couple of broken spokes. Right, Joe? Yeah. How are you finding this track, Paula? All right? So far? Yeah. All you got to do is take your time. Whoop! I think it went into him. I nearly had an accident. Yes. Martin, stop, we've got a puncher. Martin, stop, we've got a puncher. Okay, I'm coming back. Have you got a spare inner tube at all? Alright.
To lift the wheel off, but I'm lifting it off the ground.
It's going up.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's getting there. So we just put there's that slime in the tyres now, brilliant stuff.
The valve that's gone.
The valve?
No, it might just be coming out of there. It's gone up. Definitely gone up.
Wherever it is, it's coming out a lot.
Coming out everywhere.
Yeah. There's a big hole.
Could be a split.
Yeah.
Give it a sec.
Well, if that's staying up.
You just see how you get on, I suppose. Try pumping up a bit more. You got a pump. You got a pump. Yeah. Try pumping up a bit more. Because it should go hard, really, shouldn't it? You would have thought.
Yes. As soon as I move the valve though, so
it starts coming out.
The valves. No, I think I just ride it. And just head to, because if we get to Bolnuevo, we can get to that bike shop, can't I?
Yeah.
Get in there and just say, or at least find the inner tube.
Yeah.
See what it's like with the body weight on
Yeah.
the rims touching. That's a problem.
How's it feel? I suppose just see how you get on.
Yeah.
It's not
going to be as stable, right?
completely down again, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's not sure. Nothing I can do with that. I've got no inner tube. So
Sort
they're
about
only going to do a punch that sort of split. So.
Yeah, yeah. Unfortunately, we had to leave Stuart behind. Must admit, I didn't expect to get a puncher along there. One down, 10 to go.
Was it, wasn't it not old, then?
No, no. Oh, right, okay.
Did he go in?
We'll wait here for you.
He's going
He's going home, yeah. Yeah.
He needs to cut. There's a.
No, he's got no. I think he's going to ask. I think he's going to ask Sharon to pick him up.
Oh, right. Back at home. He's going again. Right?
He's a puncher. He ain't got an inner tube. And no repair. No, but he's got a split in it. It's on the valve.
Because she can drive down here anyway. If he waits by the dog park, she could drive down here. Yeah. But I've got money if you want to borrow money. It's not a problem.
Yeah, yeah. We've all got money. We can sponsor you.
Thank you. And I've just got to give Steve the receipt, and he gives it me back. So it's not a problem.
I come out with no money last time, and Barb bought mine. What happened to her?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Actually, I don't want anybody buying me.
We were
I've got a bit of
up
juice in me back.
Yeah.
We were going to say if we got to go to the bike shop in Bolnuevo, there's a cafe next door.
There is, yeah.
Nice croissants.
Yeah. We could go in there, yeah.
But we haven't got to go to the bike shop now. But
No,
we
we
can
ain't.
still do that, use the toilets and then go up.
Yeah.
Because we had an executive meeting and you weren't here.
Ah, that's fine. I don't mind.
The croissant sold it for them.
And ice cream.
Oh my God, we'll be having a menu del Dea.
Okay, are we fit?
Yeah.
Yep.
What did he hit? A stone or something, was it? Just...
I think it was just the bumps, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was just the bumps, yeah. It's all Pete's fault.
Oh, it would be.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got 10 to go now. Will we make it? No, I'm being positive. Yeah. We will make it, all of us, and we will all make it back safely. Yeah, that's the most important part of the ride, where we're going to stop for the coffees. It is nice to see someone working at it. Not like us lightweights. He's been doing all right on that bike, hasn't he? You've been doing all right on that, haven't you? Yeah. Yeah. Right, John?
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
If anyone wants a supermarket, you're out of luck.
Work in progress.
Yeah. How's it going? All right? It's the beginning of the Via Verde. Well, this part of the Via Verde. come up this way the other week, along there, and there's a farm down there. I had 5 dogs chasing me. I've never myself so much. I put it on 5, top gear, and I'm like, vroom. Oh God, I couldn't get away from him quick enough, but there was one that was really persistent. I managed to get away from him in the end. I'm coming past you. So Dave, when you're moving over?
We were only saying that the other day.
Oh, really? Sorry? When's Barb's class coming off? It's tomorrow, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, all clear, all clear. All clear. Nothing wrong with that. That's what it's all about. I'm going to come in between you. Yeah, we are, yeah. It's a bit of a dodgy road, this. Take your time. Take your time. No, not yet. No. No, we will be stopping before that, so don't worry. Oh. Just take your time, quick crossing here, make sure it's safe for you both ways. I know you love me.
I know. Oh, I love you.
Yeah. Do you want Paula? It was, yeah, absolutely. That's it. Ladies, it gets a bit dodgy. So what I'll do is I'll get in front of you two and just follow me, alright? A little bit further down yet. Right, it's just here. Okay? Yeah, all done it. Yeah, good. Come on this side, Porter. Right, it's definitely single file along here. And if anyone's coming towards you and you feel a bit nervous, just stop and let them pass you. And if you're nearest to the wall and they're nervous, they end up in the ditch and not you. That's my thinking. Yeah. Okay. When you're ready, Martin.
With earphones on, isn't it, that don't hear you?
Yeah. What?
The walkers with earphones on when they're playing their music.
What?
Pardon? Can't hear you.
Can't take you nowhere. They nicked my idea of being close to the wall. They must have heard me.
You on the road before.
Yeah. Wait for the others. That wasn't too bad, was it? Although they nicked my idea. Can't believe that. Wheel here. This is the dodgiest part of the journey. 2 roundabouts. The first roundabout, first right. Second roundabout, come off at Mercadona. But we can all really stick together in a pack. Single file. So Martin, if you keep it slow, we can all stay together. I think that'd be the best way. No overtaking one another, and we'll all just go in one block. All right? When you're ready, Martin.
I'll come in.
Martin, also if we do get split up a little bit here, just wait over there for us if we do. Oh, we might need another one. I ordered him just in case. I could do, yeah.
It's past experience, but it's
Hey?
past experience.
Exactly. Yeah, Martin's car coming. Martin, wait there. No car coming. Hopefully the lights don't go red. Okay. When you're ready, Martin, it's the Mercadona. Just stay behind me. Yeah, you're going this way, but we're going to come off. I think it's the second one. But just stay behind us. I'll just stay in front of you, all right? Sorted. All in one piece. Excellent.
Just got to get your speed up on there.
Yeah. Right. I'll cancel that ambulance now.
Yeah.
Seems more actually pace today.
Yeah, yeah. Spanish onions. We're all Spanish onions, aren't they, over here?
Yeah.
What it is? Martin, so I can get someone falling off, what I'm going to do. Right, what I'm going to do. No. Right, we've got a bit of a fold here. Nothing like the other one. And I can guarantee it's not slippery. But what I'm going to do, just in case, I'm going to go down there first and film it. No pressure. No pressure. No pressure. But It is, yeah. There's no...
Because you'll be the one to...
It's not slippery, but just don't do what Barb did. Start cycling when you're in it.
And also I've got more lights on Barb than Brit.
And you've got loads as well.
I've got more than Barb.
Yeah. So I'm going to go down there first and I'll signal you when to come through. Yeah, it'll probably be me falling off. When you're ready. Easy, easy. I said it was nothing like the last one. Told you it was easy. Damn it, no one fell off. Yeah, another new route you found. It's a nice quiet way of coming, really. I thought you'd be picking up some speed when you heard about a bar.
Pacing yourself, pacing yourself. Remembering it
Yeah, poke my eye out.
The car just come in.
Warm now, isn't it? Yeah, first, right there, first left. All clear. I thought he was down to the bar first. He's as bad as you.
You're like nobody want to work for you.
Going to the bar first, apparently. Going to the bar first. The bar first round here. Yeah. Yeah, because the boss has spoken. No. No, but we'll be coming back this way in a minute, so... No, we'll be coming back this way in a minute. We'll have refreshments first. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, she's in charge. Ready? Okay. Down to the bar. Hold up. Right, left here. All through it. Ricardo. Hola. Hola.
That lady again.
Rob, we're not going to be going too slow for you, are we?
No, mate, no, I'll stick here for a while and I'll put it off.
You can stay with us.
Come up to the top.
You can stay with us. As long as you can cope with our pace. Are we all ready? Yeah? Sand sculptures then. He just rung me.
We got to pick something up from A-Sector at 2 o'clock.
Hello?
Hello, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright, you alright?
Yeah, you're just leaving now?
No, we're going to go to the... We just had a coffee at the cafe by the bike shop.
Yeah.
Then we're going to the sand sculptures, do a 360. Then we're going to the swings to do a 360. And then we're going to the beach bar. Then we're going to the beach bar. And then we're making our way back.
Alright then.
Alright? Fine?
Alright then.
I'll speak to you soon.
So you haven't been to the beach bar yet then?
No, not yet. No.
Alright
You
then.
going to come down?
Alright.
You coming down?
Sorry?
You going to come down?
I don't know, I've got in for a bath, so I'll come round there for a coffee. I might do,
Debbie
I
said
don't know.
come down.
Come down, you can take me home in the car.
That's cheating.
Alright, we'll see.
Fine.
Alright, I'm
Fine.
just going to have a quick cup or so. Alright then,
Fine.
see you in a little while.
See you soon. Bye.
Watch the swing with you, and then we're going to shoot off back from the gate.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my battery's turned off. See you later. Come on, John, you can do it. Nearly run you over.
This time.
Always another time yet.
That's actually quite cool.
Next stop, the bar. Debbie can't go anywhere without a beer.
It's the Liddell's brothers.
I say, I thought your wife had inherited children.
How's Mandy?
No.
Oh yeah, who's that?
That's Casey. Really? You know about this, didn't you?
Yeah, everyone knew but you.
He told us and we forgot. Yeah, we did. They told us on Sunday.